A for apple. B for ball. C for cake. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for grapes. H for hen. I for ice cream. J for jug. K for kite. L for lamp. M for moon. N for nightingale. O for owl. P for peacock. Q for quail. R for rose. S for sheep. T for trolley. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watch. X for xylophone. Y for yarn. Z for zero.